And now we are able to add in some products into our order. So I'm going to click on Add Product. Now you've got a few filters over the side here. So we've got categories of cabinets. We've got our base cabinets, tall cabinets, upper cabinets or wall cabinets, pantry units, and components. So components are where you will find panels. You are also able to order standalone door units, inner drawer components, and kickboards. So let's now just jump back into our base cabinets, and we're going to add in a base cabinet with a pair of doors. So we can see here it's brought through our height that we set up at the start in our defaults. We're just going to pop in a width field, let's say 912 millimeters wide this particular cabinet is. So moving then through our fields, we've got a top selection category here, so we're able to define what type of top is going to be on this cabinet. Is it a solid top, a rail on edge, or a rail on flat, or a timber rail on edge? Again, we can go in here and define if we want particular units to be assembled or to have hardware supplied with them that is different from the defaults. And then there's one more section here that you can make a variation if you need to. So if there's something you need a little bit outside of the way that the system handles, then you can make in a note for variation here. So a note, if you make a note here, it's going to change the name of this product. So let's say this is a sink cabinet. It'll actually change the name of this from base pair of doors to sink cabinet. The other thing you can do is, as I mentioned, add in the variation request. We're not going to do that for now. So after clicking next, it's brought through all our color selections that we've made. We're happy with them, so we're just going to click on next. And it's brought through now our hardware selections. We can override that and specify how many hinges per door we want if you so desire. And then the same for our door margins as well. So we're going to click on next, and the last section here we need to define is how many shelves we want this particular unit to have. So there's our options here. We also have the option of saying whether we would like the shelf to be adjustable or fixed. I'm going to click on adjustable for now, and then if we want to go a little bit further with this one, we can click on advanced options. And now we have the ability to specify where in the cabinet we want this shelf to be positioned. So at the moment, this is 363 millimeters. Now that's from the top of the bottom panel of this cabinet. So I'm just going to go in here and click and add another shelf. We're going to set it to auto position. So it's going to space these two nice and evenly in our cabinet, and we're going to click save. So now that cabinet has been added over here. We can see sink cabinet. There's our sizing as a bit of a reference and a price for you there.